Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your own faculty driven institute, Resultant. Hope you guys are fine. So, guys, actually, I'm here with you to discuss a very important session. Guys, right now, you know that we have already reached just how many days left? Hardly 10 days left for August to be completed, September, October, November, December, and then your January. So, if I take roughly 5 months left, right? 5 months and few days, right? Now the question comes that if you are right now on a right track and if you want to finish your syllabus before December, then what you can do it. So what should be your strategy which you should follow? And like if you have completed 75% of the syllabus, what should you do? If you have completed 25% of the syllabus, what should you do? So there are lot of doubts which you can have. So let's talk it about and try to clear it. Okay, so first of all, if you are new, then kindly subscribe to our channel, like it and share it with maximum of your friends. And if you don't know about me, then you can go through my profile as well. Now, apart from that, guys, let's talk about how much syllabus completion has happened. Let's talk it about. So number one is, guys, let me tell you that 75% of the things are asked from 50% of your syllabus. Okay, this is a very important thing which you should know. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, so whatever you are studying, whatever is your entire syllabus, from 50% of your syllabus, 75% of the thing is being asked. Firstly, okay, so what you have that habit now, no, I have to complete the entire syllabus, not even a single thing shouldn't be left. So that single thing shouldn't be left will not be there even till the end. That's for sure. Okay, so make sure whatever you are studying, you should study it with full focus, full fledged dedication, and whatever questions you should be sure enough that whatever questions ask you from that topic you should be able to answer. Okay, so from 50% of the syllabus, 75% of the things will be asked. Now next, coming further, that if you have completed, let us suppose, 50% of the syllabus. Okay, the next thing is, if you have completed 50% of the syllabus, what you should do means the remaining 50% is there and 50% you have completed. Then what you have to do is, number one, what you have to do is you have to give test series. Generally we have that habit that we will give test series in the end. So let us complete the entire thing, then maybe in November ending or December ending we'll start it. Okay, but let me tell you, that is a very very wrong thing. Then you land up only giving 5-10 mock tests. You don't give subject wise tests, you don't give multiple subjects tests. So the thing which you have to do is, if you have completed 50% of the syllabus, you have to give test series every day for 1 hour. Okay, analysis is also important. It's not just you have given the test, oh how much marks I've got, that's it, leave it. No, if you have given the test series, it is also important that you note down your mistakes. I always tell students to make a copy, because if you bookmark each and everything, then in the end, just going to each and every test series and just checking out the bookmarks, that's a tedious job, right? But if you have a copy registered, you just turn the pages and you're sorted, good to go. So that's why test series 1 hour, note down your mistakes and analyze where you are wrong and all those things. Okay, next thing is, if 50% of your syllabus is pending, so 50% is completed, you have to do this. And what to do, ma'am, for the 50% pending syllabus? Number one, daily 2 subjects you have to study 4 hours each. See, this is just for your reference purpose. I always tell to students that hours doesn't matter. What matters is, let us suppose you have today allotted that I'll cover so and so topic. So if it is get completed in 2 hours instead of 4 hours, that is good, right? And instead of 4 hours, it completed by 6 hours, then also. So here, generally hours doesn't matter, but for giving you an idea, I'm allocating the hours, right? So daily 2 subjects, 4 hours each you have to give right now if your 50% of the syllabus is pending. Next, the second category, if 75% syllabus is completed. If your 75% syllabus is completed, so you have to give test 4 hours daily. Apart from that, obviously, when you give the test series, it is mandatory that you need to analyze it. Apart from that, you need to revise, because see, you have completed 75% of the syllabus. That means you have completed what, 3/4 of the syllabus. So you need to revise it so that you don't have that, you can say, anxiety that you are trying to forget the things. Okay, so revise it. And apart from that, if what we'll do with the 25% syllabus spending, then you just need one subject. Here we have cut down the timing of the subjects because 75% is completed, rather than we have increased it in your test series. Like here I'm giving you 4 hours daily. In this 4 hours, it's not I'm telling you that 4 hours give the paper. No, 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 no. It means give the paper and analyze also. Like example, if you have given a multiple subject test, and multiple subject test is 1.5 hours, it is 1.5 hours. Okay, you won't believe, if it takes 1.5 hours to give the test, it equally takes 1.5 hours for analyzing. Okay, so if I'm saying 4 hours daily test series, that means it includes the analysis time as well. Clear? So make sure you know this. So don't think that ma'am told 4 hours, that means giving the 4 hours. No, that doesn't mean like that. Okay. Then 25% syllabus is pending. So daily one subject you have to study for 4 hours, so that you are able to complete the remaining portion of your syllabus which you haven't touched it. Now, next coming, if right now, which is very good if maybe you're a dropper, or maybe if you have started your preparation early, and if you have completed 98 to 100% of the syllabus, then let me tell you, you have to give test series 4 hours, revision one subject, and hours, number of hours you can designate by yourself depending upon how much time it will take to you. So I haven't given the hours constraint, that is up to you. Okay, so test series 4 hours, revision one subject. Revision means what? Picking out the questions from your pyqs and solving it. Okay, that is the way of revision. Just mugging up the notes and notes, that won't help you for sure. Okay, now you're confused that right now, ma'am, if let us suppose I have completed 50%, I don't know, I'm just studying randomly of subject. I don't know whether the number of hours I am allocating to that subject, is it less or is it more? So just for your reference purpose, I'll be giving you that how much hours you need to designate for a particular subject so that you can complete it, and that subject will not require more than that time. So just for you, geotechnical engineering, this number of hours, when I say, it will include giving studying the whole concepts. Okay, solving all the pyqs, and if you have any workbooks or all that thing. Okay, so it's not means only studying geotechnical engineering 120 hours. No, it means that you will be studying along with concepts. You will be solving your previous year's questions for the past 20-25 years, and you'll be solving any other sources of question bank if you have, so for solving that. Okay, then next is environmental engineering 120 hours, transportation engineering 80 hours, RCC 60 hours, engineering hydrology 30 hours, irrigation engineering 20 hours. Then fluid mechanics 80 hours. Let me tell you one more thing. This is just a brief idea I'm giving. Plus minus 20% can be there. Of course, you 120, it can be 100 also, it can be 140 also. So plus minus 20% is there. Okay. Fluid mechanics will be 80 hours, OCF 20 hours. So will require 60 hours, engineering mechanics 25 hours, theory of structures 50 hours, steel structure 40 hours. Okay, apart from that, construction materials and management 25 hours, surveying 60 hours, CPM per 20 hours, and mathematics 120 hours. Along with that, aptitude, English, these are the basics, it will require 30 hours, provided if you have the prior knowledge of it. Okay, so here I have told you the number of hours which you have to designate, so that you get an idea that yeah, you have to, right now, if let us suppose any subject is there which requires 20 hours, and right now you're giving 80 hours, 100 hours, so that's not required. Okay, it is even more than 20%. So whatever number of hours I have given you, I have told you plus minus 20% should be there, not more than that. Got it? So make sure that you follow this preparation strategy and check it out how much percentage syllabus you have completed. And guys, if you have completed less than 50% of the syllabus, so then in that case, I'll tell you that right now don't give test series. First, focus on two subjects a day, 4 hours each. I'll mention that also for you guys, that you will say that ma'am, you talked about 50% syllabus, but what about the others? So let me tell you that also. Wait. Just let me add a slide. Okay. If you have completed less than 50% syllabus, then I'll advise you that right now take two subjects for 4 hours each. Okay, and make sure that if one subject you're taking which is like more on the theoretical side, then take one subject which is more on the numerical side, so that a balance should be there. So if 70% theory is there in a particular subject, take a subject which is having 40% of the excuse me, numericals thing. Numericals. Okay, so theoretical, numericals. Fine. So this is about it, guys, and you guys can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and if you have any doubts, you can mail us on support@resultant.in. Kindly follow this, guys, because it might appear that right now August is going on. You have n number of hours, n number of days, n number of months left, but you don't know that time flies like this. Okay, so that's why this session is just for you to tell that right now your competitors are there who are working day and night. Okay, so competition is not that easy. So kindly focus on studying without wasting time. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you. And guys, you can download the app from Google Play Store. Resultant Civil for civil engineering students, Resultant Mechanical for mechanical engineering students. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.